A very good afternoon, guys. This is Subrat Kumar Pridya. Today I'll share a few conversation with phone, how to make a call in English language. So, for the point of the organization call, if someone is customer calling you first, so I'll give you one example so you can better understand, and same way you can speak like this. So first of all, I said that I am a organization same way I role act as a customer. So I am a customer. So first I call to someone. Hello. So immediately, she or he replied, "Hi, I'm calling behalf of this XYZ organizations. How can help you, sir?" Then I replied, "Is that Dr. Ramesh available here?" "Yes, sir. Just hold a moment. I'll put you through your call to Ramesh, sir." "Yeah, sure," I replied. "Yeah, sure." Then, after some time, ringing is going on, but Ramesh not picked her that office call. So immediately, uh, the organizations someone is there. She told us, uh, "Sorry, sir, we cannot reach you. He not picking off our call. So sorry for the inconvenience caused. So should I leave the message for you?" Then customer replied, "No, no, no. I'm uh, not no, not required. I'll call you back him after 10 minutes. Thank you very much for the giving information." Like this conversation happens with phone call. So you people should be talk like this. Thank you very much.